Malavali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And now we are going to discuss about software estimation. Estimation is nothing but the size of the software. We say it as the process of forecasting the time, effort, and the resources required to develop or maintain a software process. We can also say estimation as the budgeting, binding, and setting an expectation to guarantee its accuracy. Some of the estimations are line of code, number of entries in the ER model, total number of process, detail in the data flow diagrams, and the function point. Mainly we see the line of code, LOC, and the function points. The line of code in the software estimation is that mainly the line of code is the size estimation, where the size of the software project is measured based on the number of source code that are being developed. We say in short that the line of code may be of KLOC, NLOC, KDSI. KLOC is the 1000 line of code, and NLOC is the non-command line of code, and KDSI is thousands of deliverable source instructions. These line of code are total number of delivered software code lines. That is nothing but each line that are developed. Here we omit the command and the blank lines. Some of the steps in the LOC are: it analyze the requirement. First, it study the requirement, a customer requirement, and then divide the system into one module. Then in the estimation of the module, it analyzes the how many lines need to be developed. Here it refers the historical data. Then it put the effort need to develop the each line of code, and also it calculate the person and month, what we have discussed in the COCOMO. The main purpose of the LOC is that we can say LOC as the physical LOC and the logical LOC. Physical LOC is nothing but the we can count the lines, and logical LOC is nothing but the executable statements. Some of the advantages of LOC is that it is simple to measure, it estimates the project size, and assists the cost and the effort estimation, support the project planning. And some of the disadvantages are it does not measure the software or code quality, it encourages unnecessary code, it depends purely on the languages, ignore the complexity and the maintainability. Function point analysis is a software sizing technique used to measure the functionality delivered by the software system in the user perspective. We can also say the FPA as the size, effort, cost, and the development of a software independently on the programming languages. Some of the objectives of the function point analysis are: it measures the software sizes, as I said in LOC, with its functionality. Here we say the line in the LOC, we say the is identify the software size based on the line of code. Here it measures the size based on the functionality. Some of the objectives are: it estimates the project cost and effort, improves the project planning and management, improves the productivity, and also compare across all the project. It also maintains the requirement and its functionalities. Some of the steps of the function point analysis are: it count the number of functions of each proposed type, compute the unadjustable function points, find the total degree of influences, compute the value adjustment factor, find the function point counts. And some of the advantages and disadvantages of FPA are: here it allows the language independence. It is the user-oriented measures useful for the productivity of the project comparisons. It improves the project planning and scheduling, and improves the functionality of the system. Some of the disadvantages of FTA is that it is a time-consuming project and it is not suitable for real-time systems. It ignores the technical implementation, requires the experience and the analytical persons. The COCOMO 1 remains as a functional software effort model.